Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take more important questions from the quadratic equations. First question, a pole has to be erected. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that that the differences of its distances from from two diametrically opposite diametrically opposite fixed gates fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meter. Is it possible to do so? Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distances? At what distances? At what distances from the two gates? From the two gates should the pole be erected? Should the pole be erected? First of all, we the figure, draw a circle with center O, diameter AB, A and B are gates. Let P is the pole. And A and B are gates. Draw a circle with the center O and diameter AB is equal to 13 meter. Therefore, AB is 13 meter. Let P is the pole, P is the pole, and A and B are two gates, and A and B are two gates. This is 13. This is 13 meter diameter. We join this AP and BP. Let AP is X meter. This is X meter. Therefore, because the difference of distance is 7, so let AP is X, therefore BP is X plus 7 meter. This is X plus 7 meter. X plus 7 meter. Since AB is diameter of the circle, AB is diameter of the circle, therefore angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Since angle in a semicircle is a right angle. As you can see that AB is diameter, so this is semicircle. P is the point on this semicircle APB. So angle APB is 90 degree. Therefore, in right triangle APB, AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square by Pythagoras theorem. As we know that by Pythagoras the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. We put values. Therefore, x square plus x plus 7 whole square is equal to 13 square. X square plus x square plus 14 plus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169. 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. 2 common. X square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now we shall solve this. Now here a is 1, coefficient of x square, coefficient of b is 7, constant term c is minus 60. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 60 is equal to 49 plus 240 is equal to 289. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to minus v plus minus square root d over 2a minus 7 plus minus square root 289 over 2 into 1, which is minus 7 plus minus 17 over 2. Square root of 289 is 17. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 minus 17 over 2, comma minus 7 plus 17 over 2. So x is equal to minus 24 over 2 and 10 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12, 5. But AP is equal to x, which cannot be negative. Therefore, x is 5. So AP is equal to 5 meter. BP is 5 plus 7, 12 meter. Therefore, distance of gate A from pole P is equal to 5 meter, and distance of gate B from pole P is equal to 12 meter. This is the answer. Then we take second question. Now we take second question. Is it possible? Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth, and area is 800 meters square, Find its length and breadth. Solution: let breadth of mango grove is x meter. Therefore, length of mango grove is 2x. It is 2x meter. Area is x into 2x. Length into breadth, it is 2x square meter square. According to question, area is 800, therefore 2x square is 800. X square is 800 by 2. It is 400. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus square root 400, which is plus minus 20. But breadth cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 20. Therefore, length of, breadth of mango grove is, it is 20 meters, and length is 20 into 2, 40 meters. This is the answer. Then we take third question. Third question. Is the following solution possible? Is the following solution possible? If so, determine their present ages. Determine their present ages. Present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, 4 years ago, the product of their ages, the product of their ages was 48. Was 48. Solution: let age of one friend is x years. Now the sum of their ages is 20. Therefore, age of second friend is 20 minus x years. Product of ages is x into 20 minus x, which is 20x minus x square years. According to question, the product is 48. Therefore, 20x minus x square is 48. X square minus 20x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now we solve this. X A is 1, coefficient of x square, B is minus 20, C is 48, which is a constant term. So determinant is B square minus 4AC minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 48. 400 minus let age of one friend is x years, age of second friend is 20 minus x. After that, we shall find 4 years ago. 4 years ago, not this one. 4 years ago, 4 years ago, age of one friend is x minus 4 years. 4 years ago, age of second friend is 20 minus x minus 4. It is 16 minus x years. Now we shall take this, the product of 48 is the age of 4 years ago, not the present ages as we have done earlier. So we will have to take 4 years according to question. X minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. Now we shall solve this. 16x minus 64 minus x square plus 4x minus 48 is equal to 0. So this is minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. So, the quadratic equation is x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. So, a is 1, b is minus 20, c is plus 112. Therefore, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. 400 minus 448 is equal to minus 48. Therefore, d is less than 0. Therefore, there is no real roots. There is no real roots. Therefore, the above situation is not possible. Fourth question. We take fourth question. Is it possible to design a rectangular path of perimeter 80 meter and area 800 meter square If so, find its length and breadth. Find its length and breadth. Solution. We have perimeter of rectangular park is 80 meter. You know, twice length plus breadth is perimeter is equal to 80. Therefore, length plus breadth is 80 by 2, 40 meter. Let length of rectangular park is x meter. Therefore, breadth of rectangular park is 40 minus x meter square meter. Area is length into breadth x into 40 minus x is equal to 40x minus x square meter square. According to question, area is 800. So according to question, we have 40x minus x square is equal to 800. X square minus 40x plus 800 is equal to 0. Here A is 1, B is minus 40, C is 800. So we can find discriminant. B square minus 4AC, put their values, is equal to B square is minus 40 square, minus 4 into 1 into 8 is equal to 1600 minus 3200, which is minus 1600. Therefore, discriminant is negative. Discriminant is minus 1600. So D is less than 0. Therefore, there is no real root. No real root. Therefore, we cannot design such a rectangular path. So this situation is not possible. That's all. In the next video, we shall solve more quadratic equations by using this quadratic formula. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.